Unit 1B Online Test Review, Problem 13A. Suppose that theta is in standard position and the given point is on the terminal side of theta. Give the exact value of the indicated trig function for theta. And the point that we're looking at is 3, -4, and it asks us to find sine of theta. So I am going to draw my coordinate plane. And it is telling me that I have a 3, a positive x. So I know I'm going to be on this side because here's my positive x. And I'm going to be at a negative y. So we're going to go down into our fourth quadrant. And when I do that, I always tell my students, go ahead and plot the point. From that point, you should be drawing from the origin down to the point. This is my R. And then you always draw up or down to the x-axis. I saw some students do this incorrectly in class, so I want to make sure we always draw up or down to the x-axis, because the x-axis is the axis that is important when we're on our unit circle. And I'm going to put my little theta right there between the r, or the hypotenuse, and the x-axis. So there is my little drawing. I have my x is equal to a 3, and my y is a -4. And it asks for sine of theta, so I do need to find my r. So I'm going to find my r is going to be equal to the square root of 3 squared plus -4 squared. And we always know anything squared is going to be a positive. So that is a 9 plus a 16, or we could have remembered from our beautiful geometry class that this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, so we could have already known that that R had to be a 5 because it's one of those special triangles, a 3, 4, 5 triangle. All right, so my sine of theta is just going to equal to the opposite over hypotenuse, or my y over my r, which is going to be equal to a -4 over 5. And that would be my answer right there, -4 over 5.